Welcome to Divorces in North Carolina. Sandra Dinkins. So you just got divorce papers, now what? Are you looking for a family law attorney? Then you have come to the right place. I wish that I was more careful in choosing my family law attorney when I got my divorce. It's not just about finding any attorney, it's about finding the right attorney for you. These questions will empower you to make an informed decision, ensuring that the attorney you choose has the experience, skills, and approach that best suits your needs. We are talking about matters that are very crucial to your family. The first question to ask your prospective family law attorney is, how long have you been practicing family law? This question is crucial because experience often equates to proficiency. An attorney with many years under their belt has likely navigated the choppy waters of divorce proceedings more than once. They've grappled with complex asset divisions, contentious custody battles, and intricate negotiations. Their experience allows them to anticipate potential challenges, devise effective strategies, and guide you through the process with confidence. A seasoned attorney can also provide insight into how local courts operate, as well as the tendencies of judges and opposing attorneys. An attorney might have been practicing for 20 years, but if they have only spent 2 of those years focused on family law, their expertise may not be as relevant. So don't just ask about their overall experience, but specifically about their experience in family law. Now let's move on to the second question. The second question to ask is, how many divorce cases have you tried? This question is crucial as it uncovers the attorney's experience in handling divorce cases specifically. Remember, not all legal cases are created equal. The number of cases an attorney has tried can give you an indication of their expertise and competence in the field of family law. A high number of cases might indicate a seasoned attorney, but it is also worth considering the outcome of the cases. Was the attorney able to secure favorable results for their clients? These are important aspects to consider when evaluating an attorney's case history. Don't be afraid to ask about the specifics. Remember that you are entrusting this person with a significant part of your life. Up next, we'll discuss the importance of mediation in divorce cases. Our third question is, how many of your cases ended in mediation? This is another great question to ask your prospective attorney, because mediation is often a less adversarial and more cost-effective route in divorce cases. It allows both parties to have a say in the final decisions, making it a more collaborative and less contentious process. If you are getting value from this video, please subscribe. An attorney with a strong record in mediation can skillfully guide you towards finding mutual ground and settling your differences outside of court. This not only saves you the emotional strain, but also the financial burden of a lengthy court battle. Remember that the goal is not just to win, but to reach an agreement that respects your interests and those of your family. So an attorney's skill in mediation can be a significant factor in the smooth resolution of your divorce. If you are getting value from this video, please share and subscribe. The fourth question to ask is, do you have another attorney in your firm who can assist in an emergency? This question might seem a bit out there, but let me assure you that it's not. Life is unpredictable, and so is the legal world. Your attorney might fall ill, have a personal emergency, or even be called into a sudden trial. In such instances, you would want to ensure that your case does not come to a sudden standstill. Having a backup attorney can be incredibly beneficial. The backup attorney would be familiar with your case, the firm's approach, and they can step in to keep things moving smoothly. This will give you peace of mind and ensure that your case can move on smoothly. Our sixth question is, how often will you communicate with me? This is a critical question that often gets overlooked. The frequency and quality of communication between you and your attorney can significantly influence your case's outcome. A good attorney should be able to provide you with regular updates about your case, answer any questions you may have, and ensure that you're well informed about any developments. But remember, every attorney has a different communication style. Some might prefer emails, while others may opt for phone calls or in-person meetings. It's essential to find a balance that works for both of you. You don't want to be left in the dark, but you also don't want to be inundated with every small detail. Understanding the communication expectations up front can help alleviate potential stress down the line. So don't shy away from asking about communication frequency and style during your initial consultations. Stay tuned for our seventh question. If you are getting value from this video, please subscribe. The seventh question to ask your prospective attorney is, can you provide names and phone numbers of references? References can be a goldmine of information. They can provide you with a first-hand account of their experience working with the attorney, giving you an idea of what to expect. References can also shed light on the attorney's competence, professionalism, and dedication. Did they feel they were treated with respect and dignity? Did the attorney keep them updated about their case? Was the attorney prepared and organized? These are the types of questions you can ask a reference. Remember, an attorney who is hesitant to provide references might not be as transparent or as reliable as they should be. Do you have a burning question that you would want to ask your prospective attorney? Put it in the comments. It might help someone. It's your right as a potential client. Stay with us as we wrap up our list of questions. Now that we've covered the 7 essential questions to ask your prospective family law attorney, let's recap. First, we discussed the importance of the attorney's experience. It's crucial to find out how long they have been practicing law, and in particular, family law. Experience can often be a key factor in navigating the complexities of a divorce case. Next, we moved on to the attorney's case history. We emphasized the need to inquire about how many divorce cases they have tried. This gives you a sense of their expertise and familiarity with the courtroom dynamics of a divorce case. Our third question revolved around mediation. We highlighted the importance of knowing how many of the attorney's cases ended in mediation. Mediation can often provide a more peaceful, cost-effective resolution to a divorce case, so an attorney skilled in this area can be a valuable asset. In the fourth segment, we tackled the subject of emergencies. We stressed the need to ask if they have another attorney in their firm who can step in during an emergency. This provides assurance that your case will always be in capable hands, even in unforeseen circumstances. Moving on to costs, we underscored the importance of discussing the financial aspect up front. It's essential to ask about the cost of the divorce case, including any hidden fees, to avoid any unpleasant surprises down the line. Our sixth question was about communication. We spoke about the necessity to establish how often the attorney will communicate with you. Regular updates and open communication lines are crucial for a smooth legal process. Finally, we broached the topic of references. Seeking the names and phone numbers of previous clients can offer valuable insights into the attorney's work ethic, professionalism, and success rate. Remember, choosing the right attorney can significantly impact the outcome of your case, so ask these questions and make your decision wisely.